Welcome to the world of digital manufacturing, where technology and innovation are transforming the way products are designed, produced, and delivered. In this video, we'll explore how digital tools, automation, and data-driven processes are revolutionizing traditional manufacturing. From smart factories to advanced robotics, digital manufacturing is enabling greater efficiency, flexibility, and customization than ever before. Let's begin our journey by understanding what digital manufacturing really means and why it's becoming essential for industries worldwide. Digital manufacturing refers to the use of digital technologies to improve manufacturing processes. This includes everything from computer-aided design (CAD) and computer-aided manufacturing (CAM) to the integration of the Internet of Things (IoT) and artificial intelligence (AI). By leveraging these technologies, manufacturers can optimize production, reduce errors, and respond quickly to changing market demands. The core idea is to create a seamless flow of information from design to production, making the entire process smarter and more connected. Manufacturing has come a long way from the days of manual labor and simple machines. Over the decades, we've seen the rise of mass production, automation, and now digital transformation. Each stage has brought new levels of productivity and efficiency. Digital manufacturing represents the latest leap forward, building on past innovations to create smarter, more agile factories. This evolution is not just about technology, but also about changing mindsets and business models to stay competitive in a fast-paced world. Several key technologies are driving the digital manufacturing revolution. These include advanced robotics, 3D printing, IoT sensors, cloud computing, and AI-powered analytics. Each of these tools plays a unique role in streamlining production, improving quality, and enabling real-time decision-making. For example, IoT sensors can monitor equipment health, while AI algorithms can predict maintenance needs before breakdowns occur. Together, these technologies create a connected ecosystem that supports smarter manufacturing. Automation is a cornerstone of digital manufacturing. By automating repetitive tasks, manufacturers can increase productivity, reduce human error, and lower operational costs. Automation also frees up workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks, adding greater value to the organization. From robotic arms on assembly lines to automated quality checks, automation is making factories smarter and more adaptable to changing demands. Smart factories are at the heart of digital manufacturing. These facilities use interconnected machines, sensors, and systems to collect and analyze data in real time. This connectivity allows for greater visibility in every stage of production, enabling quick adjustments and continuous improvement. Smart factories can automatically adapt to new orders, optimize energy use, and even predict potential issues before they arise, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. Digital twin is a virtual replica of a physical product, process, or system. In manufacturing, digital twins are used to simulate and optimize production before making changes in the real world. This technology allows engineers to test different scenarios, identify potential problems, and improve designs without costly downtime. Digital twins bridge the gap between the digital and physical worlds, making manufacturing more efficient and innovative. Data analytics is a powerful tool in digital manufacturing. By collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data from machines, sensors, and production lines, manufacturers can uncover valuable insights. These insights help identify inefficiencies, predict equipment failures, and optimize workflows. With real-time analytics, decisions can be made faster and with greater accuracy, leading to improved productivity and reduced costs. Cloud computing is transforming how manufacturers store, access, and share information. By moving data and applications to the cloud, companies can collaborate more easily, scale operations quickly, and reduce IT costs. Cloud platforms also support advanced analytics and machine learning, enabling smarter decision-making and faster innovation. This flexibility is essential for manufacturers looking to stay agile in a rapidly changing market. Internet of Things, or IoT, connects machines, devices, and systems across the manufacturing floor. IoT sensors collect real-time data on everything from temperature and humidity to machine performance. This information helps manufacturers monitor conditions, prevent breakdowns, and optimize production. IoT is a key enabler of smart factories, providing the data needed to drive continuous improvement and innovation. Artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly important role in digital manufacturing. AI algorithms can analyze complex data, optimize production schedules, and even control robotic systems. By learning from past performance, AI helps manufacturers improve quality, reduce waste, and respond quickly to changing demands. The result is a more agile and competitive manufacturing process that can adapt to new challenges with ease. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is revolutionizing how products are made. This technology allows manufacturers to create complex parts and prototypes quickly and cost-effectively. 3D printing reduces material waste and enables rapid customization, making it ideal for everything from automotive parts to medical devices. As the technology advances, it's opening up new possibilities for innovation and efficiency in manufacturing. Robots have become a familiar sight in modern factories. They handle tasks ranging from assembly and welding to packaging and inspection. Robotics improves precision, speed, and safety, allowing manufacturers to produce high-quality products at scale. With advances in AI and machine learning, robots are becoming even more capable, working alongside humans to create efficient and flexible production lines. Digital manufacturing offers a wide range of benefits for companies of all sizes. These include increased efficiency, reduced costs, improved product quality, and faster time to market. By leveraging digital tools and data-driven processes, manufacturers can respond quickly to customer needs, customize products, and stay ahead of the competition. The result is a more agile, innovative, and resilient manufacturing operation. Despite its many advantages, digital manufacturing also presents challenges. These include the high cost of new technologies, the need for skilled workers, and concerns about cybersecurity. Companies must invest in training, update legacy systems, and develop strategies to protect sensitive data. Overcoming these challenges requires careful planning and a commitment to continuous improvement. Digital manufacturing is changing the nature of work in factories. As automation and digital tools take over routine tasks, workers are shifting to roles that require problem-solving, creativity, and technical expertise. Companies are investing in training and education to help employees adapt to new technologies. This transformation is creating new opportunities for growth and career advancement in the manufacturing sector. One of the biggest advantages of digital manufacturing is the ability to customize products quickly and efficiently. Digital tools allow manufacturers to adjust designs, change production schedules, and respond to customer requests in real time. This flexibility is essential in today's fast-paced market, where consumer preferences are constantly evolving. By embracing digital manufacturing, companies can offer more personalized products and services. Sustainability is a growing priority for manufacturers worldwide. Digital manufacturing supports sustainability by reducing waste, optimizing resource use, and enabling energy-efficient production. Technologies like 3D printing and data analytics help companies minimize their environmental impact while maintaining high levels of productivity. As regulations and consumer expectations evolve, digital manufacturing will play a key role in building a greener future. Digital manufacturing enhances quality control by providing real-time monitoring and automated inspection systems. Sensors and cameras can detect defects early in the production process, reducing the risk of faulty products reaching customers. Data analytics helps identify trends and root causes of quality issues, enabling continuous improvement. This focus on quality ensures that manufacturers can meet high standards and build trust with their customers. Digital manufacturing enables seamless integration across the supply chain. By connecting suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors through digital platforms, companies can share information, track shipments, and coordinate production more effectively. This integration reduces delays, improves inventory management, and enhances collaboration. The result is a more responsive and resilient supply chain that can adapt to disruptions and changing market conditions. Real-time monitoring is a key feature of digital manufacturing. Sensors and connected devices provide instant feedback on machine performance, production rates, and quality metrics. This allows operators to make quick adjustments, prevent downtime, and maintain optimal conditions. Real-time data also supports predictive maintenance, helping manufacturers avoid costly breakdowns and keep operations running smoothly. Predictive maintenance uses data analytics and machine learning to anticipate equipment failures before they happen. By analyzing sensor data, manufacturers can identify patterns that indicate potential problems. This proactive approach reduces unplanned downtime, extends equipment life, and lowers maintenance costs. Predictive maintenance is a key advantage of digital manufacturing, helping companies maintain high levels of productivity. Automotive industry is a leader in digital manufacturing. Automakers use robotics, IoT, and advanced analytics to streamline production, improve quality, and customize vehicles. Digital tools enable rapid prototyping, efficient assembly, and real-time monitoring of every stage in the process. As a result, car manufacturers can deliver safer, more reliable, and innovative vehicles to customers around the world. Aerospace companies are embracing digital manufacturing to build lighter, stronger, and more complex components. Technologies like 3D printing and digital twins allow engineers to design and test parts virtually before production. This reduces development time, lowers costs, and ensures the highest levels of safety and performance. Digital manufacturing is helping the aerospace industry push the boundaries of innovation. Digital manufacturing is transforming the electronics industry by enabling faster design cycles, higher precision, and greater customization. Automated assembly lines, real-time quality checks, and advanced analytics ensure that electronic products meet strict standards. Manufacturers can quickly adapt to new technologies and market trends, keeping pace with the rapid evolution of consumer electronics. Medical device industry relies on digital manufacturing to produce safe, effective, and customized products. 3D printing allows for rapid prototyping and personalized implants, while data analytics ensures strict quality control. Digital tools also support regulatory compliance and traceability, helping manufacturers deliver life-saving devices to patients more efficiently. Digital manufacturing is enabling consumer goods companies to offer more personalized products. From customized sneakers to tailored home appliances, digital tools make it possible to adjust designs and production runs quickly. This flexibility allows brands to respond to changing trends and meet the unique preferences of their customers, creating a more engaging and satisfying experience. Food and beverage industry is adopting digital manufacturing to improve quality, traceability, and efficiency. Automation and data analytics help monitor production conditions, ensure food safety, and optimize resource use. Digital tools also support product innovation, allowing companies to develop new recipes and packaging solutions that meet consumer demands. Pharmaceutical companies use digital manufacturing to ensure the highest standards of quality and compliance. Automation, real-time monitoring, and data analytics help control every step of the production process. This ensures that medicines are safe, effective, and delivered on time. Digital tools also support research and development, speeding up the discovery of new treatments. Digital manufacturing is transforming the textile and apparel industry by enabling faster design, production, and customization. Automated cutting and sewing machines, along with digital design tools, allow companies to create unique products and respond quickly to fashion trends. This agility helps brands stay competitive and meet the demands of today's consumers. Construction industry is adopting digital manufacturing to improve efficiency, reduce waste, and enhance safety. Technologies like 3D printing and modular construction allow for faster, more precise building processes. Digital tools also support project management and collaboration, helping teams deliver projects on time and within budget. Digital manufacturing is driving innovation in the energy sector. Companies use digital tools to design and produce components for wind turbines, solar panels, and other renewable energy systems. Automation and data analytics help optimize production and maintenance, supporting the transition to cleaner, more sustainable energy sources. Digital manufacturing isn't just for large corporations. Small and medium enterprises are also adopting digital tools to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and compete in global markets. Cloud-based solutions, affordable automation, and online collaboration platforms make it easier for SMEs to embrace digital transformation and grow their businesses. Digital manufacturing is reshaping global supply chains and production networks. Companies can design products in one country, manufacture them in another, and deliver them to customers worldwide. Digital tools enable real-time collaboration, faster shipping, and better inventory management, making it easier to operate on a global scale. As manufacturing becomes more connected, cybersecurity is a top priority. Protecting sensitive data, intellectual property, and production systems from cyber threats is essential. Companies are investing in advanced security measures, employee training, and regular system updates to safeguard their operations and maintain customer trust. Regulatory compliance is a critical aspect of digital manufacturing. Companies must adhere to industry standards and government regulations related to safety, quality, and data protection. Digital tools help automate compliance processes, track documentation, and ensure that products meet all necessary requirements. Staying compliant is essential for building trust and avoiding costly penalties. Future of digital manufacturing is bright, with new technologies and innovations on the horizon. Advances in AI, robotics, and materials science will continue to drive efficiency, flexibility, and sustainability. As more companies embrace digital transformation, we can expect to see smarter factories, more personalized products, and a stronger focus on environmental responsibility. Digital manufacturing is not just changing factories, it's also impacting society. By creating new jobs, supporting sustainable practices, and enabling innovative products, digital manufacturing is helping to build a better future. As technology continues to evolve, it will play an even greater role in shaping how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Let's look at a real-world example of digital manufacturing in action. A leading electronics manufacturer implemented a smart factory system, integrating IoT sensors, AI analytics, and automated robotics. As a result, they reduced downtime, improved product quality, and increased output. This case study highlights the tangible benefits of digital manufacturing and the importance of embracing new technologies. Another example comes from the aerospace industry, where a company used 3D printing to produce lightweight, complex parts for aircraft. This approach reduced material waste, shortened development cycles, and improved performance. The success of this project demonstrates how digital manufacturing can drive innovation and efficiency in even the most demanding industries. Consumer goods company leveraged digital manufacturing to offer personalized products, such as custom-designed sneakers. By using digital design tools and flexible production lines, they were able to quickly respond to customer preferences and market trends. This case study shows how digital manufacturing enables brands to stand out and deliver unique value to their customers. Education and training are essential for the future of digital manufacturing. Schools, universities, and companies are developing programs to teach digital skills, from robotics and coding to data analytics and design. By investing in education, we can prepare the next generation of workers to thrive in a digital manufacturing environment. Collaboration is key to driving innovation in digital manufacturing. Companies are partnering with technology providers, research institutions, and startups to develop new solutions and share best practices. This collaborative approach accelerates the adoption of digital tools and helps manufacturers stay ahead of the curve. Digital manufacturing is supporting environmental sustainability by reducing waste, conserving resources, and enabling cleaner production methods. Technologies like data analytics and automation help companies monitor their environmental impact and implement greener practices. As sustainability becomes a top priority, digital manufacturing will play a crucial role in building a more eco-friendly future. Digital manufacturing is transforming industries, creating new opportunities, and shaping the future of production. By embracing digital tools, automation, and data-driven processes, manufacturers can achieve greater efficiency, flexibility, and sustainability. As we move forward, staying open to innovation and investing in digital skills will be essential for success in the ever-evolving world of manufacturing.